Hi, I'm JDE Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today, I want to talk about why you need a written agreement. But first, I just want to say any questions about what you're going to hear today, you want to discuss your business, or you just want to chat or think you have a potential case, anything along those lines, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc. That's meetjde.nyc, and you can book a 15-minute phone consultation with me. Now, if you happen to be watching this once the pandemic's over, you can also book a 30-minute in-person consultation with me. Now, it's been a while since I posted due to the pandemic, and things are starting to slowly pick up. So I thought I'd go with a old but very common, very necessary theme of a business litigation attorney, which is, why do you need a written agreement? So this came out of a consultation I had. This gentleman purchased a vehicle, and he purchased it for an agreed upon price. These are not the real numbers. Let's just say $20,000. But the dealership convinced him to agree that it was now for $40,000, as long as, because he's adding all these extras, with guarantees, but those are going to cancel back out after he's made a few payments. Now, my guy doesn't get anything in writing that has been canceled out or will be canceled out after a few payments. Nothing in writing. So now it just says he's purchasing a car for double the price. So he then went to the dealership and said, listen, this is what you said. You promised that you would cancel the contract for the extras once I made these certain amount of payments. I've made those payments. Please cancel it. They basically said, we have no record of that. Why would we do that? Why would you sign it, basically? So we went to the salesman, who is no longer at that dealership. And he said, well, come on in, and we'll work something out. So he goes in. Once he goes into the dealership, the guy says, give me a check for, let's just say, 10 grand. And my company will take over all the payments for your vehicle. He comes in, he gives him $10,000 check, gets nothing in writing again. Guess what? They don't take over the payments. He still has to make his payments. So now he's out an extra 10 grand. This is why you get a written agreement. Because people are not going to keep their word when it comes to money in general. Okay? And you are now going to try and litigate something that is in opposite to a contract, right? The contract says he bought the car for 40 grand. He now wants to litigate saying he bought the car for 20, even though the contract says 40. And he also wants to litigate to say that someone else is supposed to be paying the payments without any agreement to show it. Always get a written agreement of what you're doing and why you're doing it to save yourself having to go to litigation or to have an easy time when you do litigate, okay? You're starting from scratch. You're going to have to recreate the whole situation for the court and prove it when you don't have a written agreement. And sometimes it can't be done, and you've lost money, you've lost legal fees, and you've lost your case. So do not shoot yourself in the foot, and always, always, always get an agreement in writing. Okay, once again, if you want to discuss this, a possible case you may have, or just want to talk about your business, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc, meetjde.nyc, to book a consultation with me. Once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.